Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on PayPal. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred browser on your Android phone and visit the official PayPal website at paypal.com. Log in using your email address and password. Once you are signed in, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the main menu. From the menu, scroll down and tap on Send. Here you will see a list of all your recent contacts. Now, select the person you want to block. Then, tap the block button. A confirmation message will appear. Tap block again to complete the process. Once blocked, that person will no longer be able to send you payments through PayPal. And that's it. Now you know how to block someone on PayPal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.